So I just had a job today in Caringbah South for a customer that has FTTP, fibre to the premises. Now you can see NBN has come out and they've connected the utility box to the outside wall, and there's two leading cables that run back to the pit. Now the utility box there, there's two leading cables because one is for a granny flat down the back and the other one is for the main house. Now the customer's put a weatherproof box on above here, as you can see, and he's got his data cables, one for the granny flat and two for the internals, run to that point there. But the house is all concrete, it's all on slab, you can't run any more cables, everything's in conduits. Now he's got an issue because he needs to get that working. Now with fibre to the premises, you've got the utility box, as you can see there is on the outside part of the wall, but then inside the premises you would usually have your connection box and the power supply. Now whether you can fit that inside that box I'm not too sure, but the NBN one guy, they've sent out twice, the same guy, and he's refused to do it. So we're a bit unsure because this is going to be quite a trouble. Now I've seen plenty of FTT boxes, and I'm pretty sure you can mount both that power supply and the connection box inside here. Now the neighbour has seemed to get it done. So next door, just going over to the neighbours here now, but you can see that they've got it done, and he's got it, obviously the connection box on the outside and the utility box there, and the power supply must be inside, I would imagine. But I'm not sure if they fit both in that. We couldn't get access to have a look. But I'm just wondering, is there anyone from NBN who watches this that could maybe go out and speak to this customer, go on site and try and somehow get this sorted out, because this has been a bit of a headache for him for quite some time, and he's getting a bit of a runaround and not getting any joy. So he's asked me to come out today to have a look, but I could not find anything. Anyway, I spoke to a couple of my contacts in NBN and there was just no one could help. So this is just a bit of a cry out. Otherwise, he's going to be taking this further with complaints and stuff like that. So we need to try and get this resolved if possible. So if anyone from NBN can help, get in contact with me in the comments, and we'll see where we can help this customer. Thank you.